Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Alright, and today, guys, we're here with AI Millie Bobcat. When I see the thumbnail, when I see the title, you know what it is already. When I said to put the song 101 me react to in the comment section, on and off, you spam in the comment section with the one song in the dog. And one person I do it, let me see him name. Cause me I go shout you out, but me I go tell you if you stop the way you do, brother. I mean I like it, dog. Like stop it, dog. You do too much. You understand? So the person we do it is Cloudy. You put about 25 comments with the same thing. Yeah, see me? Yeah. But big up yourself still. Thank you for pointing me to this one. Bobcat by AI Millie. I jump in the one and
pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Cash good. Run it up now, she a more cause she know it. I will sing it up, bro. I never break it in my pocket and it tougher than curd. My AMG just buy can buy. Say she like YB, but she play sleepy all. So one voice. Yeah. SIT on the scat pack. If I no press the ice skipper, them a bobcat. Nobody she put a green beam on the chip glock. A top girl, mama, you feel intact.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Alright.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Cash good. Lord. Run it up now, she a more cause she know it. I will sing it up, bro. I never break it in my pocket and it tougher than curd.
Let's go.
AMG just buy can buy. Say she like YB, but she play sleepy all. So one voice. Yeah. SIT on the scat pack. If I no press the ice skipper, them a bobcat.
If I not here, I'm president. If I not here, I'm skipper. So I'm a big up skipper. So obviously them link skipper, big up skipper. Bad office.
SIT on the scat pack. If I no press the ice skipper, them a bobcat. Nobody she put a green beam on the chip glock. A top girl, mama, you feel intact. Mount a pussy, fuck off of Insta. Move fuck out your.
Man said mount a pussy when fuck off of Insta. The girl them a style them DM and a drop so boop. The girl them run them DM style boop, drop a banana skin boop. The mount a pussy when fuck off of Insta. Only God he knows. Only God he knows.
A green beam on the chip glock. A top girl, mama, you feel intact. Mount a pussy, fuck off of Insta. Move fuck out your throat till it blister.
Yo,
Pull up! Yo!
I did that song again, dad. Sorry, dad. You want to say me forgot your throat till it blister.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍
Till the blister.
Cash good.
Blister.
Run it up now,
Cash code, big up. Chat, big up.
My AMG just buy can buy. Say she like YB, but she play sleepy.
Alright.
So one voice. Yeah. SIT on the scat pack. If I no press the ice skipper, them a bobcat. Nobody she put a green beam on the chip glock. A top girl, mama, you feel intact.
Don't tap pussy where me fuck off of Insta.
Move fuck out your throat till it blister. Enjoy the pussy pan the guy black. Whip that, flip that, you just get the bitch back. My blue face, now my rip jeans. Marvel 13, 14, 15. I'm up bang, somebody clean. Shade off fuck free. I'm up bang, somebody clean. Marble 13-4, just get the bitch back. My blue face, now my rip jeans. Marble 13, 14, 15. I'm up bang, somebody clean. Shade off fuck free, oh shit. 260 on the coast guard, watch it. PDHOD on sushi. A girl ski, them done some boss to the demand. The market graph make it crunchy. I run it up now. The coast guard watch it. PDHOD on sushi. A girl ski, them done some boss to the demand. The market graph make it crunchy. I run it up now, cash down me uptown. She a monkey and she know it, I be sing it out loud. I break in my pocket that it tougher than crowd. I let's stop a junker, make a price go up. I run it up now. Get that it tougher than crowd. I let's stop a junker, make a price go up. I run it up now, cash down me uptown. She a monkey and she know it, I be sing it out loud. I break in my pocket that it tougher than crowd. I let's stop a junker, make a price go up. SRT on the scat pack. If I no press the I skip a them a bobcat. Nobody put a green beam on the chip glap. A top girl, hey mama you feel intact. Mount a pussy me fuck off a finsta. Mama we fuck out your throat till you blister. Enjoy the pussy.
What say Insta or Finsta? Mount a pussy when fuck off a Insta or Finsta. What is Finsta? What is... Let me Google Finsta quickly and see what is Finsta. Let me see if I get it wrong. It's a slang term for fake Instagram. Okay. I'm doing my research while we're here. Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah.
Fuck off a finsta. Mama we fuck out your throat till you blister. Enjoy the pussy pan the god black. Whip that, flip that, you just get the bitch back. SRT don't know shop attorney. Rolling load and the one and half permit. Auto parts a gal I forget service. Used to walk about the first start the journey. God not the game from the day me I learned it. My nigga hear the girl head tip so I know the girl. I change girl like whips and flows. I mean a new flow for the winter. A new wave girl skin I place. Where I met the ex and the at the late race. She want me, she must have expensive taste. Cash coat bring any my case. It feels like we have to pick your elevator.
The man says she want me, she must have expensive taste.
Where I met the ex and the at the late race. She want me, she must have expensive taste. Cash coat bring any my case. It feels like we have to pick your elevator. Couple bunk check on your shoulder. Have to pay for mine out of space hill and a Jamaica. Some brawling chopping at the air.
And I burn out the markets. Oh yeah, big up. See that cash code, big up yourself. Shadow, big up yourself. Production team, the other one. J. Yo, the young artist. Who said the young artist them nah do the thing, bro? Young artists them do them thing, dog. Like why so much negative towards the young artists them, bro? I think for me is the older generation them have problem with the young artists them, I think. One shouldn't have the problem with the G them, bro. The G them I do the them thing or them want do it. Just like how one do phone thing when one they want do it. I saw the G them I do them thing. It a work for them. The man make them money. And the G them richer than before. The G them now richer than before, dog. Yeah. Big up on yourself, dog. When I do the thing, bro. I'm begging for you put in the money to use. You see me? Yeah, put in money to use, dog. No matter drink it out and gyal it out and then, yeah, because sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. That's how I say. Hey, first one is the one you sang them, bro. Big up yourself, bro. Bad artist. I like that song, yeah. Like that song, yeah, bro. Your peak, your clarity peak, bro. Your clarity peak. Rhythm. Demolished. Yeah. So big up yourself, my fam. There, big up yourself. This time I'm going to leave that one still. If you enjoy that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around here if you're new. Please tell me in the comment section which song for react to next. Don't bother spam it though. Don't spam it. Just put it one time, I will see it. You understand? Maximum twice. You don't have to spam it. You see me? But yeah, big up on yourself. I'll see you guys in the next one. Pieces.
Jamaica's worst gamer.